every morning. Right, so this morning I gotta pop out and look at a job for a neighbour. I think he's after damaging his gate, so we're just gonna pop down and have a look and see what we can do. Right, so this is what we've come down to see, and yeah, he has done quite a bit of damage to this gate. Ouch. Yeah, so this is going to have to be taken down and brought back to the workshop. I think we're going to have the whole gate is shifted, so there's a nice bit of work in fixing this. As you can see, it is all off square. Not an easy job, but yeah, so we won't take it today. I'll come back and I'll take it down. I'll go up now and I'll speak to the man himself, and yeah, we'll go through what we'll do. So on today's video, we must knock out a aluminium frame, and I haven't done aluminium in quite a while, so it took me a bit of time there today, well this morning really, to set up the welder, get everything dialed in, and I did a few welds and pretty good, I must say, for a guy that hasn't done it in probably about 5 years. So yeah, we'll crack on with that. It's an 82 by 32 frame, pretty simple, with 2 center bars for strength, and this is going to be a frame, I think, for an entrance. So we'll crack on, we'll get cutting on the saw, and we'll get up on the table and get to welding it. So with our pieces all cut, we have the 2 center ones to cut. I'll do them in a minute, but you will see I actually have a railing back from galvanizing. This is 1 part of 3. Be going out to fit that tomorrow maybe. Yeah, so I just had to tap my holes where it is joining to the next one. So we grab that bolt here. So this will bolt into the middle section, just like that. And yeah, so I said I'd just show it to you there very quickly before we get back to welding up this aluminium frame. And I may insert a picture of this fitted. It's not been painted by us. It's been fitted like this, and then they'll paint it themselves. Okay, so that is this frame completed. Didn't turn out too bad, and for a guy that hasn't welded aluminium in over 5 years, I don't think my welds turned out too bad. They turned out fairly uniform, so I'm pretty happy with that. I have a tiny little pinhole here, but that's not too bad. It's okay. Yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with that. We'll just show you our corners, if I can get them to you. And we have sanded off flush on this side, as it's going to be sheeted. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. There's no need to give this a polish or anything like that, because this is going to be sprayed black, I think. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Fairly simple project, but at the same time, this took an hour and a half to do, just because it's a slow process with aluminium. But yeah, pretty happy with that. So once again, guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Would you leave him alone?